What up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to JesusDrawz. In today's quick video, that's right guys, we've reached 200 freaking subscribers and we're sitting at like 215, 216 right now, so we're only going up from here. And yeah guys, I'm definitely flexing the merch right here. Definitely flexing that, but no guys, this is a giveaway video where I'm gonna show my appreciation for you guys watching, subscribing, commenting, all that good stuff. Since we reached 200 subscribers, I figured, man, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Now this giveaway isn't sponsored by anybody, not YouTube, not Teespring or anybody. This is just me. I ordered some of these shirts that I created from Teespring. You know, I don't want to keep all of them. I want you guys to, you know, enjoy some of this awesome design work too. So I got this one right here. This one's a small. I also got the sizes, you know, because one winner will get to pick one of the little articles of clothing that I got right here, and they'll get some stickers too. Really, all you gotta do is hit the link in the description box and sign in with your YouTube or answer a question, and there will be an entry. And this will be up for a week. So get your votes in, your ballots or whatever, you know, your submissions in. Got this one. This is a size, is a medium, little smoking token dude right here, long sleeve. So we got 3 so far, and then the last one. So there's only 4. Got this hoodie right here. This one's a medium, all white. So, you know, if you're a dirty boy or dirty girl, you probably don't want to get that one. But yeah, like I said, then we got this long sleeve right here, this token dude. This one's a medium long sleeve if you're into the long sleeve gang. And then we got this, thank you. But it's draw every day, 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 draw every day. This one's a small, this one's a little on the smaller side, so if you want this, honestly, if nobody picks this one, this is probably going to be my pajama shirt where I wear basically every single day, 24/7. And of course, this one's a medium right here. It's a crew neck. Ain't got no hoodie. But yeah, guys, I really appreciate you guys subscribing, watching the videos, commenting, liking, sharing, and all that good stuff. And you know, we're only going to get better from here. We're only going up, only positive things from here. More merch will be added down the road. Yeah, guys, if you want to embark on this giveaway journey, make sure you hit the Gleam link in the description below. Submit your entries, and then by next week or next video that I post, I'll have a winner up. I'll get in contact with you, and then I'll send this stuff out. I don't think you'll make it on time for Christmas, but you'll still be getting a gift anyway because it's free. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. I'll be back with you guys with another video of creation next week. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Peace and love. Keep it real. Stay safe. Take it easy. Until next time, y'all. Peace and love.